Ever wondered where to get inspiration for your logo designs? Ever stared blankly at your screen, waiting for a lightning bolt of creativity to strike? We've all been there, haven't we? It's like standing at the bus stop in the pouring rain, watching each bus go by, but none of them are the one you need. Or like watching paint dry on a Sunday afternoon, each brushstroke whispering, "Inspiration, where art thou?" Indeed, finding the right spark for your logo design can feel like an uphill battle against a particularly stubborn creativity block. It's a universal struggle, a shared frustration. But what if we looked at it from a different angle? What if we viewed existing logo designs not as competitors, but as muses, as stepping stones on our path to originality? Well, that's exactly what we're doing today, but fear not, fellow creators. I'm here to rescue you from the depths of design despair. Imagine if you had a treasure trove of logo designs at your fingertips, all ready to spark your creativity. Well, stop imagining, because it's a reality. Picture this: 50 magnificent logos, each one a masterpiece, waiting to be the muse for your next grand design. It's like finding a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, except you won't need to outsmart a leprechaun. Or imagine rubbing a dusty old lamp to find not just a genie, but a genie who's a whiz at graphic design. Each of these splendid logos comes as PSD and PSB source files, ripe for your creative picking. Whether you're designing for a trendy coffee shop or a cutting-edge tech startup, there's something in this treasure trove for you. It's a veritable smorgasbord of style and inspiration, just waiting to be explored. So, next time you're stuck in a design rut, you won't have to resort to interpretive dance or desperate pleas to the design gods for inspiration. Now, I know you're probably itching to dive into this sea of inspiration, and why wouldn't you? 50 logos, all in PSD and PSB source files, just waiting to kickstart your creative engine. So, let's get to it, shall we? Downloading these files is as easy as pie. Not that you'd want to download a pie, of course, unless you're into that sort of thing. But I digress. Simply click on the link, follow the prompts, and before you know it, you'll have a world of design inspiration at your fingertips. Don't just stare at them, though. Use these logos as a springboard. Twist them, tweak them, turn them upside down. Let your imagination run wild. Remember, creativity is not about copying. It's about making something uniquely yours. Download now and let your creativity flow. Who knows? Your next design could be the one that sets the world on fire. Metaphorically speaking, of course.